Hey everyone, thanks for joining us for This Week in Nature. We're on plants and plant families, and we're taking a walk and we're just looking at different plant families, and we came across a lot of a really cool plant that I'll just kind of get a little close to here and kind of scan up so you can see some nice specimens of this plant. This is going to be part of the pea family. So we're going to go back to our...
Notice the pinnately compound leaves.
Okay, we got pinnately compound leaves. And we're going to go back to our book, find out what the pea family cards look like from Botany in a Day. Okay, remember, this is the flower that has those interesting petals, the banner, the wings, and the keel. So it's an irregular flower. Robin, you want to take it away?
So let's look at it in detail on a real flower. So if you look at this flower down here, you can see that it's what's called irregular. There's no symmetry to it. In contrast, if you look at this flower, which is in a whole different family, you notice that it's very symmetrical. The petals come out, they're all identical, coming around a circle, and that makes it a regular flower when it has symmetry like this. The pea flower is irregular in the sense that there is no symmetry. So if we look at this flower in detail, I'm going to grab it, and hopefully we'll be able to hold it still. You notice here on the back side is what is the banner, and that's that petal there. That is a large petal. Down below it is the keel, and it's hard to see, but it has two halves to it that form that there. That's the keel. On the sides, each side, there's a side petal. You can just sort of see it here, and those are the wings. There's one wing there, and there's one wing over here. So that's what makes up. If you have a flower with those components, the banner, two wings, and a keel, then you're in the pea family. And it is a large and complicated family, but those are the key characteristics of that family.
And remember that members of the pea family can actually take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into a form of nitrogen that other plants can use, themselves included, and that's called nitrogen fixation, or fixing nitrogen. So they're really kind of valuable plants to have, especially in your garden or where you want to grow things, because they bring nitrogen into the soil.
So this particular one we're looking at is actually an astragalus. It's one of the genera in this family. Another common one in this family is the lupin, and that one you will see along roadsides and fields, and is relatively common.
And was featured in week number 2 video.
Yeah,
without the flower.
That's correct.
Leaves.
Yeah, and hopefully we'll see if we find some others on this walk.
This one's common name is Locoweed, and I'm not 100% up on the ethnobotany, but I imagine Locoweed could drive you crazy, because that's what loco means in Spanish.
Yeah.
All right. So thanks for listening, and we got to bring this to your attention. Beautiful bumblebee just came in. Remember, bees are attracted to white, yellow, and blue. They're their favorite colors. Very attractive for those. So flowers that have those colors are really aiming to attract the bee as their pollinator. Okay. Thanks for listening, and we'll tune in when we find another flower, hopefully soon.